Hello everyone. In the last session, we discussed about number name. I hope you all understood how to write the number name for the given number. In this session, we are going to discuss after, before and between numbers. Let us taking a real life example. Let's see three children, Sogam, Kushi and Aksh are standing at the bus stop to board the school bus. Sogam is standing at the first position. Kushi is standing at the second position and Aksh is standing at the third position. Also, Kushi is standing behind Sogam or Kushi is standing after Sogam. Same way Aksh. Aksh is standing behind Kushi or Aksh is standing after Kushi. Both Kushi and Aksh are standing after Sogam. In the same way, we can say Kushi is standing before Aksh and Sogam is standing before Kushi. Both Kushi and Sogam are standing before Aksh. Here, Kushi is standing in between Sogam and Aksh. Now children, let us understand the concept of after, before and between using number. Children, do you remember when we count forward from the given number, we get the numbers after? Here the bunny is at the number 236. Can you tell me what number comes after 236? Yes, 237. Now let us take some more examples. Here the bunny is at the number 789. Can you tell me what two numbers come after 789? Yes, 790, 791. 790 and 791 are come after 789. Now, what comes after 47? Yes, 48. Now, what number will come after 500? 501. Do you know the numbers comes after the given number are also called successors? Here 501 is the successor of 500. So can you tell me successor of 456? Yes, it is 457. 457 is the successor of 456. Now let us see before number. When we count backward from the given number, we get the numbers before. Here the bunny is at the number 544. The number 543 will come before 544. Let us try to understand by taking some more examples. Now, The bunny is at the number 900. Now, what come before 900? Yes, 899 will come before 900. Now, what comes before 66? Yes, 65 will come before 66. What comes before 432? 431. 431 comes before 432. Now, the number that comes before a given number are also called predecessors. Here the number 431 is the predecessor of 432. Can you tell me the predecessor of 111? Yes, it is 110. 110 is the predecessor of 111. Now let us try to recollect the between numbers. Numbers that comes between any two numbers are called between numbers. Here the numbers 898, 899, 900, 901 and 902 comes between 897 and 903. Let us take few more examples. What comes between and 236? Yes, 235. 235 will come in between 234 and 236. Now can you tell me what number will come between 600 and 602? Yes, 601. What comes between 76 and 78? Yes, 77 will come between 76 and 78. Now, children, you are thorough with the concept of after, before, and between numbers. We can use this concept in filling the missing numbers also. What are missing numbers? Missing numbers are the numbers that got missed in the given series of numbers. It means we are given a series of numbers where some of the numbers are missing. But with the help of the concept of after, before and between, you are able to find that series. Let us try to understand this using some examples. Here is the series where the number at the first position is 68. You need to find second number in the series. Here you need to think what number will come after 68. Can you tell me what number will come after 68? Yes, 69 will come after 68. Now again we find out the number at the fourth position. Again we need to think what number will come after 70. Yes, 71 will come after 70. In the same way to find the next number. Again we need to think what number will come after 71. It is 72. In the same way, we complete all the series. Let us check one more series. Here, you need to find the number at the first position. 55 is given. You need to think what number will come before 555. And you are able to find out your answer. Now please tell me what number will come before 555. Yes, 554 will come before 555. Now we need to find the number at the fourth position. Here the number 556 is given and the number 558 is given. We need to find the number that comes between 556 and 558. Okay, you tell me what number will come between 556 and 558. Yes, 557. Now children, it's the time to practice. I have framed few questions for you. Try to do these questions. This is the first exercise. In this first one, you want to write before number. First one, write what comes before 454. Next, what comes before 600? Next, what comes before 212? Next one, what comes before 100? The last one, what comes before 956? Next, we move on to after number. Here the first one is, you want to write what comes after 900. Next one, what comes after 667? Next one, what comes after 321? Next, what comes after 556? Next, what comes after 880? Next, we move on to between number. First one, you want to write what comes between 369 and 371. Next question is, what comes between 730 and 732? Next one, what comes between 667 and 669? Next one, what comes between 521 and 523? Next, the last one, what comes between 115 and 117? Children, after finishing this exercise, you can check your answer in the answer key. Here is the answer key for before, after and between number. This is the next exercise. In this, you need to find out the missing number. How can you find out the missing numbers? We can use the concept of after, before and between number. Let us see the first one. In that first position, number 452 is given. In the third position, number 454 is given. So you need to think what number comes between 452 and 454. And see the fifth position, there also number is missing. But in that fourth position, number 455 is given. You need to think what number comes after 455. Likewise, you want to finish all the one. This is the answer for missing number. You can check your answer here. I hope you all enjoyed this session. Thank you and keep practicing. Bye bye.